Let's talk about the work tools. Nut, nut, bolt, hammer, axe, screwdriver, wrench, screwdriver, workpiece, pliers. Yay! You did it! Let's do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. Okay, one more time. So, hammer, workpiece, axe, bolt, nut, screwdriver, another screwdriver, pliers, wrench. Yay, you did it! One more time. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it now this time. Now place it. Bolt. Okay, rotate it. Bolt. Wrench. Hammer. Pliers. Nut. Axe. Workpiece. Screwdriver. Another screwdriver. Yay! You did it! Let's do it one more time. One more time. Pliers. Pliers. Axe. Screwdriver. Pliers. Okay, let's place it here one more time. Let's go. This is workpiece. Workpiece. Pliers. Hammer.
Workpiece.
Workpiece.
Pliers.
Pliers.
Hammer.
Hammer. Axe. Screwdriver. Another screwdriver. Wrench. Bolt. Bolt.
Bolt.
Nut.
Nut.
Great! You did it! Let's do it one more time. One more time. Come on, let's do it one more time. Good baby. Let's do it one more time. Screwdriver. Place the screwdriver here. Screwdriver. Okay, let's do it one more time. Hammer. 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 Okay, hammer. Pliers. Wrench. Nut. Oh, sorry, bolt. Nut. Screwdriver. Another screwdriver. Axe. Workpiece. Yay! Let's do it one more time. One last time. We gotta do it. Let's do it. We know our work tools. We can do it. Okay, what's this? What's this? No, you cannot have them all. You have to place them back here. Come on. Let's do it. Hammer. Hammer. Come on. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Wrench. Workpiece. Screwdriver. Good, screwdriver. Screwdriver. Another screwdriver. Another screwdriver. What are you doing with the bolt and workpiece? Great. Let's do another thing. This is the screwdriver and this is the wrench. You can rotate it like this, round and round. Oops.
Oh,
Oops. Okay.
okay.
Wrench.
Wrench.
Screwdriver. Axe. Hammer. Pliers. Nut. Where is the nut? Good. Bolt. Bolt. Workpiece. Great! You did it again! Let's do it one more time! One last time! We can do it! Yay! Come on! So, screwdriver. Screwdriver.